Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome home with Alina. I have a great craft for you today. It's going to bring in some spring and Easter flair to your home decor, and it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg, so stay tuned. For this project, you're going to need ceramic and glass dishes or bowls of varying shapes. I picked mine up at Dollar Tree along with this adhesive. You're also going to need the Rust-Oleum stone finish textured paint, which I had to get at Home Depot, and that actually was the most expensive piece of this project. Next, you will arrange your bowls and your dishes into the shape that you're ultimately going to want. I'm going for a more tiered look, and so I had this taller goblet in the center, and I really love this balloon bowl that kind of gave my green dishes a chunky base, and I'm kind of digging that feel. Next, you'll want to go ahead and apply your adhesive according to the directions of the adhesive you purchased. This one from the dollar store recommends that I applied it to both surfaces that I'm going to stick together and then wait 10 minutes for ultimate hold for best results. Then you'll want to carefully stick them together. We're not going for perfection, so just do the best you can to get them straight. This project is kind of foolproof. You can use all different shapes and sizes and come out with some really cool pieces. I do recommend waiting 24 hours before moving on to the next step. This will give your project maximum time to dry and hold. And this is the end tier that I am going for. Next, you will tape around your rim so that you have some of the color of the bowl. Prep your painting space. I had to do 2 coats of this Rust-Oleum textured paint, and I let each coat dry in between. But this gave me my desired texture. You are free to do as many or as little coats as you want. Then I painted white for my project. You can pick any color you want that accents your project or the room you will be putting this in. I had to do 2 coats to get my desired effect. You are free to do as many as you need to get your desired effect. This is your project, so feel free to play around with it. Try different techniques, different paints, different textures. You can really make this your own and have a unique piece to display in your home. Once your project dries, go ahead and remove that painter's tape. We are not going for perfection here, but I love the character that it gives when you can see the color on the top. Then you will just style your bowl however you want. I chose to do an Easter theme with the foam piece in the middle to stick these to. I got all these supplies from the Dollar Tree to make it really affordable, but you can use these as candy dishes or whatever you want. Switch them out for the different holidays. Here is the final product. I am really happy with how they came out. My centerpiece is ready for Easter, and if you liked this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And and thanks for stopping by.